Hello, this is Raufilter. This customer Matthew Ball from Australia. Order drum filter 30 and biofilter one set. Yeah, and pump. Now I check all system before send to customer. Yeah. Так, first UV connect. Yeah, work. Okay. Okay. Two pipe go inside 90 milli. Yeah. After cleaning, come to biofilter. Yeah. Biological filter and go out. Yeah. Okay. First, open control box. First, open timer. Yeah. Timer activate pump and motor reductor. You see drum move. Yeah. Activate 15 seconds. Yeah. This means now pump pressure water clean mesh and everything come to trade ray and go out. Yeah. Okay. This first system he activate every 30 minutes. System 15 second activate and again stop. Yeah. Every time open stop. Okay, next system, this is float switch. When water level come to him, activate and same. Motor reductor and pump clean now system. Yeah. How we can regulate how long time he work like this. Now open again. Yeah, activate and work. Biofilter, yeah, K1 included in the set. Yeah, this aeration, this need connect cable. Yeah, for air pump. Yeah, he come here and aerate like this. Okay, and now check manual open. Yeah. Turn left. This just motor reductor. Pump not work, and turn right this motor reductor with pump. Yeah, like this. Okay, this manual. This for look clean for service. Yeah, he must stay every time by middle like this. This work timer inside and float switch I show for you like this. Yeah. Okay, everything work. Ready to package. Okay, thank you.